When the practice started up here some years ago, I knew about it. So the first time that I had to actually get dental treatment done, I said I'd come in and see what they were like, and I've been here ever since. When I got my crown procedure done, he explained everything to me in detail in terms of the options that I had and what we might do. He told me what the situation was with the tooth and what the sort of, if you like, the most expensive option was or the cheapest option, and where we might go in between. And then I could choose and say, look, let's go for this. And I think that's very important to people, because sometimes if they have, I think sometimes are kind of frightened to go to the dentist because, and particularly at the moment, they're not quite sure what this is all going to cost them. So it's important that you know that somebody kind of gives you, if you like, for want of a better expression, a price list of how this is going to work out. So I got that, and that's as I said, very important to a patient. I come from a generation of people that sort of went to dentists in the 60s when I was a kid. And in those days, that was a very frightening proposition. And I suppose that kind of leaves something of a scar in your memory. I think people of my generation are always kind of slightly afraid of dentists. But certainly there's no problem like that when you come here. They're very good. They're very easygoing. They're very nice. But I suppose the bottom line is the dentist has to be good. You know, the receptionist can be as nice as anything, or the nurse can be lovely. But if the job isn't right, it's not right. So you're not coming back for the receptionist, you're coming back for the job that has to be right. I think you have to be able to work in with people's schedules, and that's something they do very well here. In my case, it's been brilliant because I've been able to come here early in the morning before I go to work, or come here after work, and I suppose that applies to a lot of people. And I know they work long hours here, and they do that to facilitate people, and that's a great facility to have. I have recommended to family, because my wife comes here and my kids come here, and also friends. But I'd only recommend something if I was quite confident that they were going to get the treatment that they expected. There's no point in recommending somebody because the people are nice here, or whatever the case may be. You have to be able to tell people that the treatment will be the best, and it is.